In this chapter, students shall be able to understand the following concepts. We shall locate the center of a given circle. We shall draw a circle passing through three given non-collinear points. We shall circumscribe a circle about a given triangle. Inscribe a circle in a given triangle. Inscribe a circle in a given triangle. We shall draw direct common tangents or external tangents to two equal circles and draw transverse common tangents or internal tangents to two equal circles. We shall also learn how to draw direct common tangent or external tangents to two unequal circles and draw transverse common tangents or internal tangents to two unequal circles. We shall draw a tangent to two unequal touching circles. First of all, let's discuss how to construct a circle. A circle of any radius can be constructed by rotating a compass about a fixed point O. This is the point we shall rotate a compass around it to create a circle. How to locate the center of a given circle? Suppose I have given a circle. First of all, I shall draw two chords AB and CD. Then I shall draw EFG as the perpendicular bisector of this chord AB. Then we shall draw another perpendicular bisector of the other chord. PQR is the perpendicular bisector of the chord CD. These perpendicular bisectors EFG and PQR should intersect each other at a point. This point is known as the center of the circle. This was a very common method to locate the center of a circle by drawing perpendicular bisectors of two equal chords in a circle. Next is draw a circle passing through three given non-collinear points. I am given with three non-collinear points A, B and C. By non-collinear we mean that these three points do not lie on a single line. First of all, we will join AB and BC. I joined A with B and B with C. Then I will draw LM, which is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Similarly, I will draw QP, which is PQ, which is perpendicular bisector of BC. Proceed these two perpendicular bisectors towards the inside of the circle and they shall cut each other at a point. This point is called radius. This point is called the center of the circle. Now I shall draw a circle with radius OA, which is also equal to OB and OC. When I rotate the compass, the circle is drawn and this circle should pass through all of these 3 points. Next is we have circles which are attached to other polygons. Suppose I have a circle and it is attached to a triangle. The question is circumscribe a circle about a given triangle. I am given the triangle ABC. First of all, I shall draw LMN as the perpendicular bisector of side AB. This side AB and this is the perpendicular bisector of this side. Similarly, I shall draw another perpendicular bisector of one of these sides. Let's suppose AC. So PR is the perpendicular bisector of AC. Proceed these two perpendicular bisectors to join each other at a point. This point is called the center of the circle, which is circumscribed about this triangle. Now we open the compass from O to A or O to B or O to C. It is equidistant from all these 3 points, so the radius should be same. Then we draw the circle using a compass. Next is inscribe a circle in a given triangle. I am given the triangle and I am going to inscribe a circle that is inside this triangle touching all these three sides. For this purpose, we shall have to draw the angle bisectors of any of the two angles of this triangle. I drew BE and CF to bisect the angles ABC and ACB respectively. This is ABC and this is ACB. I drew CF, which is the perpendicular, which is the angle bisector of this vertex C, and BE is the angle bisector of this vertex B. O is the center of the inscribed circle. From O, we draw OP, which is perpendicular to BC. With center O and radius OP, we draw a circle. This circle is the inscribed circle of the triangle ABC. We open the compass up to this side or this side or this side, and when we rotate the compass, there is a circle obtained which is inscribed in this triangle. So you should have noticed that for circumscribe a circle, we draw perpendicular bisector of the sides, and for inscribe a circle, we draw angle bisectors of the vertices. Next is ascribe a circle to a given triangle. By ascribing, we mean that we draw a circle touching one of the sides externally, one of the sides of the triangle. Then we proceed other two sides outwards, and this circle should also touch the proceeded sides. This is called ascribing a circle to a given triangle. For this purpose, I have a triangle ABC. First of all, let's produce any two of the sides of this triangle. Suppose AB and AC. I extended these two outwards. Now I draw angle bisectors of exterior angles. These are the exterior angles. This and this one. These two are exterior angles of this triangle. I drew angle bisectors of these two exterior angles, and when we proceed the angle bisectors, they cut each other at a point. This point is called center of this circle. From I1, draw perpendicular bisector on the side BC of triangle ABC, which I1D intersect BC at D, and I1D is the radius of the inscribed circle with center I1. This is the point I1, this is the D. So I1D is the radius of the circle. Similarly, draw the circle with the radius I1D at the center at I1 that will touch the side BC of the triangle ABC. This circle is going to touch all these three sides, this side practically and these two sides only when they are extended outwards. So this is the process to draw an ascribed circle, or to ascribe a circle about a triangle. Now we shall discuss how to draw a tangent to a circle from a given point P at a given point on the circumference. Suppose this is a point on the circumference of a circle where this tangent is touching. We are given with a circle with center O and some point P lies on the circumference. This is the circle center, and this is the point on the circumference touching the tangent. First of all, join P to the center O so that OP is the radius of the circle. This is OP. This would be the radius of the circle. Then we draw a line TPS which is perpendicular to the radius OP. This line is perpendicular to the circle, to the radius. TPS is the required tangent to the circle at given point P. There are different methods to draw this perpendicular, by drawing an angle of 90 degree and touching the point and then extending it both ways. So this TS is the, or TPS is the required tangent. Next is we draw transverse or internal common tangents to two equal circles. I have two equal circles with centers O and O prime respectively. This is a circle with center O. This is another circle with center O prime. These two are equal circles, they have equal radii. First of all, join the centers O and O prime. This center O with O prime. Remember that these two circles do not touch each other. This is the difference between these two. The distance between these two. Now we find midpoint of this line M, O to O prime. To find the midpoint, we open the compass more than the half and I draw two arcs from this point 1 and 2. Similarly, I draw two arcs from this point 1 and 2. Where these two arcs cut each other, join these points and extend them. This line is called the bisector of this line O prime. Perpendicular bisector of this line. The point where it touches the line O prime, this point is the midpoint of this line. Similarly, find the midpoint of line MO prime. This line, the half of the OO prime. When we find the midpoint of this point, this N is the midpoint of this line MO prime. Now take N as the center and radius of a circle equal to measure of MN. I draw a circle from this point as a center and opening the compass to this point. So the radius of the circle is equal to line MN. When we draw a circle intersecting the circle with center O prime at the points P and P prime, this circle is intersecting the circle with center O prime at this point and this point. These 2 points are to be noted. Now draw a line through the points M and P touching the second circle at the point Q. From this point, I draw a line to the point P prime where these 2 circles cut each other and extend it further. Similarly, extend it backwards. This line should touch the circle with center O at point Q prime. Now draw a line through the points M and P touching the second circle at the point Q. Similarly, in this side, I touch these 2 points M and P and extend it on both sides. So this extended line also touches at point Q this circle with center O. Now draw a line through the points M and P prime. This is M and this is P prime. I drew a line. This is a tangent touching these 2 circles, common tangent. Now we shall discuss how to draw direct or external common tangents to 2 unequal circles. I have 2 circles, one with center O and another one with center O prime. These 2 are unequal, one is smaller, other one is bigger. I am given with 2 unequal circles with centers O and O prime and radii R and R prime. Here R is greater than R prime. First of all, join the points O and O prime. We join the center of these 2 circles. On this diameter O prime, construct a new circle with center M. Where is this M located? M is the midpoint of this line O prime. So first of all, I take midpoint of this line. So M is the midpoint. Now we draw another circle with center at O and radius R minus R prime. This is the circle with center O. Here R minus R prime is the radius, which is the difference of these 2, the difference between the radii of these 2 circles. So this is the circle with radius R minus R prime. This this circle cuts the bigger circle with diameter O prime at P and Q, at this point P and this point Q. Now we produce OP and OQ to meet the first circle at A and B respectively. So we produce OP, this is OP like this, and OQ like this. it meets the first circle, the circle with center O, at points A and B. Note these points. Now now draw O prime A prime parallel to O A. This is O prime A prime. This is O A. I draw this line. This should be perpendicular to the. This should be parallel. O prime A prime should be parallel to O A. Now O prime B prime is parallel to O B. These two lines cut this smaller circle at points A prime and B prime. Now we join A with A prime and produce it both ways. Similarly, join B with B prime and produce it both sides. Therefore, A prime and B prime are the required common tangents of these two unequal circles. Next is how to draw direct common tangents to equal circles. I am given with two equal circles with radii equal to each other and centers at O and O prime respectively. First of all, join the centers, then draw a diameter AOB of the first circle. This is the diameter of the first circle. This should be perpendicular to this line O prime. Now draw diameter of A prime, O prime, B prime. This is also perpendicular to the line O and O prime. Now we draw A prime and B prime, which are the required common tangents. Join these 2 points, extend it, and join these 2 points and extend it towards both sides. So these two are the tangents which are required common tangents. Next is how to draw transverse or internal common tangents to two unequal circles. We are given with two unequal circles with centers O prime and radii R prime respectively. This is the bigger circle. This is the smaller circle. R is the radius of this circle and R prime is the radius of smaller circle. First of all, find the midpoint M of the join of these two centers O and O prime. This is M. Similarly, next is we construct a new circle with center M on the diameter of O prime. So touching O prime and with center M, I draw a bigger circle like this. Now draw another circle with center at O and radius R plus R prime. So this is the circle with R plus R prime. This circle intersects the middle circle at points P and Q, and it cuts the circle with radius R at points A and B respectively. Similarly, we draw O prime B prime, which is parallel to OA. So O prime B prime, this is line O prime B prime, it is parallel to OA, and O prime A prime, this is O prime A prime, and it is parallel to line OB. Now we join A with B prime and A prime with B. This is A and this is A and this is B prime. We join these two and extend them. Similarly, we join B with A prime and extend it also. Therefore, A B prime and A prime B are the required transverse common tangents. Now we shall discuss how to draw a tangent to two unequal touching circles. We have two cases for this statement. First of all, case 1 is like this, touching internally, and case 2 is this, when the circles are touching externally to each other. There are two unequal touching circles with centers O and O prime. So let's discuss the first case first. Join O with O prime and produce it to meet the circles at the point A where these circles touch each other. So these two circles touch each other at A. I join O with O prime, both of the centers, and extend it towards A. Then I draw, since tangent is perpendicular to the line segment OA, I draw the perpendicular like this. This is the tangent to the line OA and O prime A. We draw this perpendicular, and this is the required tangent. Case 2 says that we are given with two unequal touching circles with centers O and O prime. These two circles touch each other externally. First of all, join O with O prime. This O and O prime intersects the circles at the point B where the circles touch each other. So this is the point B where these two circles are touching each other. The line is intersecting it at B. This tangent is perpendicular to the line segment containing the centers of the circles. This tangent is perpendicular to this line segment. We draw the perpendicular to OO prime at the point B, which is the required tangent. So this is the required tangent for this case.